Okay, so that is it. That is your working drawing. At the end, make sure you include all these things in a little box, text box at the bottom. Your name, date, title, and the scale. This is how the scale is to be drawn. So notice a couple things. First of all, I measured everything. And when I wasn't sure of a dimension, like this one here, I picked up the box and I measured that distance and put it on the drawing. And you saw me do the math, so I divided numbers by 2 in order to figure out how long to make them on the page. But please notice that the numbers I put on here, 12, 6, 3/4, and so on, all these numbers are the actual size of the box. These are not the numbers of how long the line is on the page. So for example, this is a 12-inch, it's 12 inches on the box, but it's only 6 inches in reality on the page. So don't make the mistake of putting the scale dimensions on here. You put the actual dimensions. Also, I drew this circle here, I just drew it quickly because I didn't have a compass sitting here. You know, you could make a note here that of the diameter of this. So I believe that's about a 1/2 inch hole. So 1/2 inch, now this is the symbol for diameter. It's a circle with a line through it. So make sure of that. Also, you saw I kept a sharp pencil. I drew light lines, and did you see how I used the sticks? So this stick, I just used the stick in order to keep everything parallel with the edge. So if I want to find out how far that line is from the bottom, don't bother measuring, just use a little stick or something where you make a line like this on the stick and then transfer it over here just like that. And that keeps everything nice and parallel. The drawing is pretty neatly centered. It's not shoved off one way or the other.